I am a sloth. I live in the forest. I eat juicy leaves, fruit, and water. I am a great swimmer. I love sloths. They are my favorite animal.
I eat hay and corn. I look like a dark gold shade. I have a silver mane and a tail.
I am a dolphin. I am a mammal. I live in all oceans. I eat fish, squid, and shrimp. I'm up to 30 feet long. I love dolphins.
I am a dinosaur. I am a T-Rex. I eat animals that are dead, and I am a meat eater.
I am a crocodile. I am a reptile. I live in lagoons and swamps. I like to eat meat and other small animals and big animals. I look like a fish. Bony plates cover my thick skin.
Hello, I am an eagle. I am also called a bird of prey. I can live in the desert, woodland, or rainforest. I love to eat fish, rabbits, squirrels, and other small animals like mice. I weigh 4 to 15 pounds, 2 to 7 kilograms. I have a beak and strong talons that help me catch my food. I also have brown, black, and white feathers. Bald eagles are not actually bald. They have white feathers on their heads. Bye.
Hi, I am a wolf. I am a mammal. I live in Asia and North America. I hunt for deer and moose. My colors come in black, white, brown, and red. Wolf packs hunt, sleep, and play together.
I'm a cow. I am a mammal. My habitat is a barn. I eat grass, hay, and green. I weigh 1,800 pounds to 120 pounds. Cows chew on their cud all day.
My animal is a orangutan. It is a mammal. Its habitat is wait, no, I'm not done yet. Lands of Arbonia. It eats fruit, mangoes. I am a horse. I am a horse. I live on a farm. I eat hay. I'm brown. I am a thoroughbred who is known for being brave. I am a mammal.
I am a lion. I am a mammal. I live in the savannah. I eat zebras, warthogs, wild beasts, and gazelles. I weigh about 500 pounds, 230 kilograms. I have light brown fur, and I have a mane. Male lions usually have manes. I can jump forward up to 40 feet, 12 meters. Lions are the only wildcats that live in groups.
Hi, I am a giant panda. I am a mammal. I live in bamboo forests. I eat bamboo shoots, stems, and leaves. My cubs weigh about 5 ounces at birth and grow to be 200 to 300 pounds.
Hello, I am a tiger, and I am a mammal. I eat deer and buffalo. Tigers can run up to 30 miles per hour. 48 kilometers per hour. I am a Labrador Retriever. My home is a house. I eat dog food. I am the most popular breed in the U.S. And I look really cute. Bye-bye. See you later.
I am a meerkat, and I live in the desert. I eat insects, mice, lizards, and small snakes. Meerkats stand on guard while others hunt. I chose this animal because they look cute.
I am a giraffe. I am a mammal. I live in a grassy land called savannas. I eat leaves. I have a blue-black tongue.
I am a Persian cat. It is a mammal. I live indoors. It eats cat food.
I am a blue shark. I am a fish. I live in the ocean. I eat squid and tuna. Blue sharks are also called blue dog sharks. That is why I choose this animal because I love sharks. Bye.
I am a panda. I am a mammal. I live in China. Pandas eat stems and bamboo.
My animal is a cat. It's a mammal. My habitat is a house. It eats cat food. It has whiskers and pointed ears. Some cats don't have tails.